Millions of ESL learners around the world completely misunderstand this phrase. And maybe you've heard it, maybe you've read it somewhere, maybe you've heard it while watching Netflix. In the dark. So maybe the sentence was, management left the team in the dark about layoffs. Or, hey, don't worry, I'm as much in the dark as you are. Or even, we can't make a decision if we are kept in the dark. And when you hear it, you think, wait, is everyone just sitting in a room with the lights off? Why is a business team working in darkness? Pitch black darkness. What's going on? Maybe they didn't pay their electricity bill. Now, I fully understand that it is confusing. And what makes matters worse is that you will never, never find the real meanings of this in a standard textbook. But hey, welcome, I'm Nas, and this is Real World English Decoded. Now, perhaps you are one of those really dynamic, ambitious learners who immediately goes to check the definition in a dictionary. But what comes up? There's this massive wall of text, and you have no idea which meaning is the correct one. So you go through them all, you analyze all of them, and at the end of it, well, you are even more confused than when you started. Now, if you are thinking, I can't do this anymore, relax, relax, take a deep breath, take your hands off the dictionary, forget about the dictionary, just stay with me. There's no need to overthink this. We're going to fix this right now. Let's look at some sentences together so that you never feel foolish or make an embarrassing mistake when speaking to native speakers or even your colleagues abroad. So the phrase for today is to be in the dark. And it's so simple. I promise you, it's so easy. It simply means to be uninformed. In the dark, uninformed, or kept from knowing a secret, or kept from knowing important information. So if you don't know what's happening because no one told you, yes, you guessed it, you are in the dark. So let's reread that first sentence about the workplace, right? Management left the team in the dark about the layoffs. So we now know it doesn't mean that the electricity went out. It means that management didn't tell the team what was happening. They did not keep them informed. So tell me, are you still in the dark about this phrase, or did I just help you to turn the lights on? So what idiom would you like me to cover next? And by the way, if you haven't subscribed, would you like to just take a moment and do so now? I'm Nas, and welcome to English Decoded. See you in the next one.